Hey, what's going on, guys? John Erickson here, reading for the role of Dean Martell. 6 feet tall, 175 pounds, and I am currently supposed to have facial hair like this for at least the next week or so, but that shouldn't be an issue with your shoot dates in November. So, more than happy to trim it or shave clean shaven if you like. Thanks so much.
Thank you for seeing us on such short notice, Malcolm.
My son said that time was of the essence, and when I heard the name McCormick,
I'm sorry, do you guys know each other? We attended Peyton together, back in the day.
we were quite close for some time. Now, what is it I can do for you, Chrissy?
There was a dorm party last night in Orion House. When I left, some guy followed me, pushed me down and took photos of me. I think he might have drugged me before I left the party.
And this is what you were wearing.
Does that matter? Of course not.
Had you been drinking? I only ask because intoxication may affect your memory, your ability to recall details, like what your attacker looked like.
He put a hat over my eyes. I couldn't see him.
Did he speak? Did you recognize his voice?
I can't really remember. There must be security footage, right?
There's cameras. I'll have the security team comb through them.
We'd like an internal investigation started immediately. And if you don't find this guy, it might get out to the public that Peyton isn't a safe campus.
Anything you need, Nora. We'll start the investigation immediately. Get some rest.
Help! I need help!
Chrissy, what's the matter?
Nathan, he's trying to hurt me.
My son? That doesn't sound like him. Why don't you take a seat? You're safe here.
Mom! What are you doing?
Taking care of this once and for all.
You don't have to hurt her.
You're weak. You always have been.
No, Dad. What can I do?
Get the zip ties. Don't let her move.
Nathan, please, shut up. This isn't you. This isn't the man I fell in love with.
Do you know what the Werther effect is, Chrissy? It's where a dramatic and highly publicized suicide, like Ryan's, encourages more people to commit suicide. It's a form of mimicry spurred by grief. You were in love with Ryan, debate partners in the public eye, but something much more behind closed doors. And that's why you've decided to follow him to the grave.
No one will believe you.
You really think that? Even after the recent media broadcast? You really shouldn't let people take photos of you when you're that wasted.
This is criminal. You can't make me commit suicide. I'm not touching those pills.
Is that a wager?
You can't just shoot me.
I wasn't planning on it.